Looking to hire a local house cleaning service, but not sure where to start? You're in the right place. Choosing local cleaning services not only supports your community, but often provides that personal touch that makes all the difference. First, look for reliability and trustworthiness. Read reviews, ask for references, and check their credibility with the Better Business Bureau. Understand the costs. Some charge per hour, others per visit. Make sure you know what's included so there are no surprises. Prepare your home. A quick tidy up before the cleaners arrive means they can focus on the deep cleaning. When hiring, communicate your needs and expectations clearly. This ensures both parties are happy with the job done. Ready to hire a local cleaning service? Take these insider tips and find the perfect match for your home. For more insightful tips and guides, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our updates. See you in the next video.